In my view, I think Learning Day is very educational. It's helpful to the people who join, and I think it's very informative. The best part about Learning Day that I felt was around the agenda, because it was very well spread, and there's various talks as well as workshops for participants to get hands-on experience. My sharing session was pretty good. The participants were very engaging, and I think they genuinely sparked an interest in what I'm talking about.
This is one of the places we can also see the use cases, what is happening around us, and also initiations on encouraging the society there.
It's fantastic, the workshop. They share many use cases in the real industry, so I learn a lot.
My current job scope is to analyze data. I'm a business analyst so far. So by understanding what kind of data we need to analyze and what kind of data we need to have meaningful data for our software and all. So it's kind of like giving a better insight of like what is needed, what is correct and what is not correct.
I attended the SIA Digital Transformation Journey. The workshop is very insightful to see our national carrier leading the digital transformation journey, and also small businesses like ours can learn from them. Our business is mainly a very traditional business in manufacturing, so we are leveraging on technology, so that helps in also setting the mindset and the direction for my company in the near future.
I find them very interactive. Guys have obviously done their homework, they're very knowledgeable. My previous background was technology. It's good to see that they're bringing technology back inside. I meet lots of people across different cultures, different age groups. So for me, it's important that I stay up to date with latest trends.
I'm a software engineer. Anything about technology interests me. However, now I'm moving more into a more management role, so I'm come here to learn from a different digital transformation experience from well-established companies like SIA and so on. And I think today's Learning Day has a very good mix of technical and executive level of information and workshops to learn from.
We are moving into the IoT space, and we do business on fleet management. So as part of it, we came down for this Learning Day.
3 words, I would say: learning, excitement, and friendly.
Innovative, interesting, creative.
Fun, interesting, intriguing.
Insightful, enriching, and awesome.
Very good experience.